Get ready to feel like a total badass with this beginner Lyra move that looks way harder than it actually is. Let's break down bow and arrow. This one starts from a hip hang, so we're going to mount using an up and over. Take your hands and reach up to the Lyra with your palms facing away from your face. Bring one knee to your chest. That's going to be your balancing point, and then you can bring your other leg up to balance against the hoop. Once that knee is locked in, this position is actually quite secure, so you're free to then take your hands off. Another fun variation is that with leaving your hands on the Lyra, you can bring that hooked leg back through the Lyra and arch your back. Definitely do not let go here. To come out of that, bring your knee back through and you're back into that hip hang. Let's try it with a spin. This one's such a fun position. It's so pretty. You can also play with where your leg is resting on the hoop, whether it's a little bit more diagonal or pointed straight up to the top center part of the Lyra. I think this is a great resting pose. Really play with those arm variations. Happy hooping. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.